Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and today I have a Spyro Reignited Trilogy video for you guys, and we're going to be doing a little analysis on the key art that has finally been revealed for Reignited Trilogy. So, we had that placeholder image for Spyro Reignited Trilogy for a couple of months now, for what the box art is going to be like. This is the final box art right here. This is what we're going to get. It looks really awesome. There's a lot more going on here than what we had there. So let's just, let's just analyze this, or annualize, sorry. This are Toys for Bob. Holy shit. So, for one, obviously we got the title right there, looking mighty clean. Then we got the boy, oh my god, okay. So we have the boy Spyro there, obviously in the center. Or in the front, sorry, but also in the center at the same time. And it shows all three games. So we see on the left side of the art is Spyro 1. On the right side is Spyro 2. And in the middle is Spyro 3. So Toys for Bob is being a lot more specific compared to Vicarious Visions with Insane Trilogy. You see, with Insane Trilogy, they weren't exactly specific per se. A lot of people say, oh yeah, they have all three games on the box art. Well, really, no, they only have, Vicarious Visions only had the first two games on it. On the left side, we had, a little side of Crash 1. The middle was Crash 2. And the right side was Crash 1 again. There was no Warped on there, which, a lot of people kind of keep missing out on. They had the first two on there, but they didn't have Warped on there. They just did another version of Crash 1 and slapped it on there and said, okay, here we go. But aside from that, Toys for Bob is being a lot more specific. They didn't do 1, 2, 3, they didn't do, in an order. They have 1, 3, and 2. But regardless, it works. It looks so good. So, let's just analyze it. Let's start with Spyro 1. So, with Spyro 1, on the left side, we have the shepherd with the dog. We have some gems. We have a sheep. We got a Nork. And then we have Nasty Nork. We have finally a good idea of what he looks like in Reignited Trilogy. We don't have that blurry shot of him on a portrait and everything. He looks a lot different compared to that, but he looks really good. He looks really good. Then we got the two dragons, the orange one and the pink one. I don't remember what they're called. I know they probably had a specific name, but it's on the tip of my tongue. I can't remember, but those Chinese dragons, they look cool. Obviously signifying for Spyro 3, Year of the Dragon. And also we have, the Rhino Ninjas there. And then we have the Sorceress, who was actually right under the, actually no, that's not pink, that's a purple Chinese dragon. But yeah, we have, the Sorceress right under, what's it called? The purple Chinese dragon, I can't speak. Which is obviously right beside the title of the game. And then we have, going on to Spyro 2 over here, we have Ripto. Look at Ripto. Look at the boy. The boy is looking fresh. He is looking clean. He is giving you that look like he's about to fuck you up ever so badly. But he's looking fresh. He's looking fresh. I like how they actually gave him legitimate eyebrows. He looks really cool. And then we have some of the dinosaurs there too. I can't remember their names, what they were called. And then we have, some more gems, a green gem, red gem, and a blue gem. And then we have a baby dragon, signifying Year of the Dragon, which I'm kinda, now thinking about it, that should be, well actually no, it's fine there. It doesn't have to be in the middle with Spyro 3, it's fine. But, oh my god. This art looks, it looks too good. It's really good. There's a lot going on. It's looking mighty fresh. Toys for Bob. Holy shit. So, yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little analysis. It's a short one. There isn't really much, there's much to say about it. It looks awesome. There is a lot going on though. And it's being a lot more specific compared to the Insane Trilogy box art, and I prefer this box art over Insane's any day, because I did not like either box arts for Insane. I didn't like the placeholder, which was so shit, and then the new one, or the final one, sorry, or the legitimate one, I didn't really like that much either. I said, yeah, it was better, but there wasn't much going on. But there's a lot going on. So, that's basically it for this video, and let me know in the comments what you think of this box art. It looks really fresh, honestly. And, you know, E3 is next week. It actually starts tomorrow, but the major, like, you know, the big guns and everything, the actual E3 everyone looks forward to, like, you know, Sony's press conference, Square Enix's press conference, everyone, like, you know, that starts on Monday. All that starts on Monday. Well, I mean, I guess people care about EA and Microsoft, but no, just no. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will see you all later. I got a lot of videos to make next week. Holy shit. And even tomorrow if we get a new Kingdom Hearts 3 trailer. But I'm expecting a trailer on Monday more than tomorrow. But we'll have to see what the orchestra brings us. And that's it. I'll see you all next time.